The deforestation crisis is not new. Many yearly calibration including those of the Middle East, New Mexico, and Easter Island precipitated their young beline deadline through overpopulation and deforestation. The difference is that we are destroying your forest faster and on a legal scale than ever before. Earlier in this country, forest covered around 40% of the East total land area. By these countries in that figure will stand about 25%. The extent of forest in Tron contributes to such things as the greenhouse effect, air loss of money through of space of plants and animals, land cells, solely erosion, extent of rivers and dams, forest and water extremes. For instance, as the tree of Nepal are cut down, its topsoil is gradually being lost and its rains are likely to cause Dixon floods in India and Bangladesh. The eventual conclusion of message and ongoing deforestation or understand what they are likely to damage the quality of life on Earth. Rather, the number of life forms that share the plant with use and hamper the ability of the biosphere to sustain life. Humanity can continue to feel trees cross its fingers and hope for the what or it can take hold of its future and reverse the process of deforestation. Complement the following extension on the basis of the lesson. The more we have, the better history and conscience tell us that as the population grows, more and more population are forest covered around 40% of the Earth's humanity can contribute to fill trees cross its fingers and answer the following question very well. Name the countries where the population growth has been slowed down remarkable the production and general health of the world's forest is retended. What impairs the ability of the biosphere to sustain life? Who does deforestation deforestation in Nepal after India. Glows and notes. Flocks contain your full extend the state of face of being real or living. Standing improvement in century medicine. Space groups having some coming creation shooting CRC Venus to despair Timoint equivalent issue and Newcastle Moore Care and John Bent.
And Johan Benter.
The present meant for the from the Greek mythology in through 2% person is Ichu and Negressing. Their names have a meanings in the mind that has been carried over to your present day language. The give piece has been rendered in English by Moore Care and John Bintel. Work in simple groups and discuss the following. How much do you love yourself? Is loving oneself good or bad? Issue and Nicodemus, not money, men or we good, whereas handsome as young निष्कर्ष so fair was he that almost everyone who should him fell in love with him that moment. One day as निष्कर्ष removed the forest with his hooting compliments he was sped by the watchful empathy Ichu she had once been a great chapter ready to take to animal pressure by on animal subject at animal time and on several occasions she had detained goods here when house of cautious test just as here was on the point of shoveling open jets win with one of his slit loves every tools here could so inured that she put a crease on each issue and from that time on the unfortunate and bench could say nothing but the last few words that she had trembling each followed Niskars through that trees she longed to go close to him to jed upon the beauty of his face, but she feared that he would wholly at her silly speech before long. Nicholson Bendred yelled from his compliments, and when he realized his be lost, he called in pens it the embody here called each my stupid why this reply Newcastle suited come suited issue Nicholson was convert that someone was playing trick on him. Where are you avenging me? He called. The only answer the head was his own question repeated from the birds. Come here and let us meet. Played Nicholson. Let us meet Ichu answered deglated. She overcome her sickness and crept from her hiding place to approach Niskars. What he satisfied not that he had solved the mystery of the video recoil. You had here yet and run. I bawled D before. I bawled, have you near me? He sold shots, making over his shoulder. Helpless, Hichu had to call after him. I bawled, have you near me? The name page was so embarrassed and ashamed that she had herself in a dark cave and never come into the air and simulated agony. Here you yet and buried yet and her body becomes so sanctified and tiny that irritation eventually she had also altogate all that was life was the breathtaking video that still for romance the world anxious to take yet able only to repeat what others see. Poor Hichu was not the only on to be treated brutally by Nicholson. He had played with money, heritage, and at last one of those he had shown prior to the goods that Nearkers world some day find himself surrounded by one he loved. The prayer was heard and granted. Traded and trees from has hunting Nicholson treat himself down beside a still clear pool to drink as he leaned over the shining surface. He swallowed the refreshing of the most beautiful face he had ever seen. Beautiful face he had ever seen has hair trembled at the sixth, and he called on not tear himself yet from it. Has on aiming for a long time. Nearchus remained there beside the pool, naval resign he years from the surface and from time to time murmuring words of love. At last his body were adding and become the stem of a flower, and has had the lovely gold and with butter blossom which set Seal looks into cute pools and is called Nerkers. Right true for true and for false statement. Nirthkosan was very young and handsome. Nirkers went feeling itchy and did not Good's hair cure said issue did not bend to speak not to nature. Study the lines careful and complement this extension. The was so emergency and man here young and but